Okay, welcome back. This is MoTech. I'm Noel Mwadende, and we are going to do our program number 13. So, in our program number 13, we are going to do nested loop. In nested loop program, to find greatest number among three numbers is used as an example. So a program to find the greatest number is used as an example in a nested loop. Nested if else is used to find which is the greatest number as shown in figure number 25. That is a piece of code, and figure number 26 is the output from the console. So let's go open compiler, Control N for creating new file, hash include iostream using namespace std, then int main, our main function, curly bracket, here put comment, C++ program to find greatest number, numbers. So here underneath declare your variables to hold those three numbers: int number 1, number 2, number 3. So those are our variables for holding those three numbers, which will be entered by user. So cout, send the message to the screen, program to find greatest number among three numbers. Then end line. So send the message to the user so that user may know what he or she is supposed to do. Enter three numbers, semicolon, then read number from keyboard by using cin number, read number 1, read number 2, read number 3. Then start to put condition. If number 1 is greater or equals to number 2, and number 1 is greater or equals to number 3, then send message to the user, cout number number uh, number one, the number one is the greatest number, with the greatest number, then end line, else if specify another another condition, if number 2 is greater or equals to number 1, and number 2 is greater or equals to number 3. That is the end of your condition. Cout, send the output to the screen, to the console. Cout number number 2 as the greatest number, then end line. Put your last T. So as we are finding the greatest number between 3 numbers, so if number 1 is not a greatest, number 2 is not a greatest, by default number 3 must be greatest. So no need to put condition, just send the message to the screen, informing a user that number, which is number 3, number 3 is the greatest number. So by default, if first 2 numbers are not, or there is no greatest number between the first 2 numbers, then by default number 3 will be greatest number. Return 0. That is the end of our program. So int number 1, number 2, number 3 are our 3 variables to receive user input from the keyboard. Enter 3 numbers. Yes, everything is right. In read numbers entered from user, then put condition if number 1 is greater or equals, then number cout number 1 is the greatest number, then if number 2 is greater than or equals number 1. So I hope everything is right. So it is time to compile and save our program. Our program should be saved as a nested if else. So let's compile and save our program as nested if else. So save a program in such a way to compile. Yes, thank you. Our program is free of errors and warning. So compile and run to see how output is. Okay. Our program is asking us to enter three numbers. Let me enter my numbers as 4, 5, and 7. So press enter. So as you can see, number 7 is the greatest number, but for the program to look good, you should make here some put a space so that it can be looked good. So enter number again, 4, 5 and 7. Okay. Oh, what is going on? I didn't save this program, so save it, save, like this way. Oh, this here, like this. So save it, then compile and run again. Okay, enter three numbers, 4, 5 and 7. So the greatest number 7 is the greatest number. So let us compare our output from book as shown in figure 26 of our book to see how do it look similar from our output from the console. So program to find the greatest number, then after entering three numbers, which is 4, 5, and 7, the greatest number is number 7. So number 7 is the greatest number. As you can see, our output from the console shows our greatest number is number 7. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Noel Mwadende. This is MoTech. See you in the next video. Thank you.